Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm taking you guys along on a little shopping trip. As you can see, I had the chance to visit Toronto for a couple of days. Every time I'm in Toronto, I try to visit the Cartier boutique. And the one I usually shop at is the boutique located on Bloor Street. But as you can see, this time it was closed for renovation. So there's actually no way to get in. What I did is I texted my SA and she informed me that they were taking appointments at another location close by. It was honestly a few streets away. So I was lucky enough to get an appointment. So their temporary boutique was located in the Hazelton Hotel on Yorkville Avenue. And my SA was kind enough to text me the new address and all the details surrounding the visit the night before. So here's the hotel, and what happens is when you arrive for your appointment, you give your name at the front desk and you wait in the lobby. Your SA will come down to pick you up and take you to the Cartier suite, basically. And it was a very fun experience. It was very private. As you can see, it was beautifully decorated. It was so fun to see all the crazy Cartier jewelry in the back. So that day I was shopping for the SM Juste Un Clou, as you can see. And I was really hesitating between yellow gold or rose gold, so I tried both on. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I really wasn't sure if I should keep with the rose gold since I have the JUC in rose gold already, or if I was better off going with yellow gold. I also tried on the Juste Un Clou with diamonds on the head of the screw and the end. And the price difference obviously isn't that bad. It's about 1,500 Canadian dollars. So as you can see, Juste Un Clou is a very beautiful bracelet. I was also hesitating between sizes, so between 15 or 16, I really wasn't sure which one to get. The 15 felt a little bit snug. It didn't really move as much as the 16. So stay tuned for my next video where I'll be unboxing my new purchase. Don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next one. Bye guys!